Hi everyone, welcome back. I am Utpal Raj and in this video I will show you how to fix iMessage photos not showing in the Photos app on your iPhone. So many users notice that photos received in iMessage are no longer appearing inside the Photos app, and in most cases this happens because of the shared with you feature is disabled under iMessage settings page, and you need to enable this option. So first open settings app on your iPhone. Now scroll down to bottom and click on apps, and within this section find messages app and click on it. Now on the messages settings page, scroll down a bit and click on shared with you option. Then first, make sure you have enabled the toggle right to automatic sharing, and after enabling this option, also enable the toggle right to photos. And that's it. As soon as you enable this option, you will start receiving all the photos from iMessage into the Photos app. So that's how you can fix iMessage photos not showing in the Photos app on your iPhone. And if this video helped you in any way, make sure to like it, share it and subscribe to this channel. Thanks for watching.